初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
My alarm didn't go off again.
My alarm didn't go off again.
我的闹钟又没响。
My alarm didn't go off again.
My alarm didn't go off again.
I have to hurry, I'm late.
I have to hurry, I'm late.
我得赶紧了，我迟到了。
I have to hurry, I'm late.
I have to hurry, I'm late.
Where did I put my passport?
Where did I put my passport?
我把护照放哪儿了？
Where did I put my passport?
Where did I put my passport?
I packed everything last night, right?
I packed everything last night, right?
我昨晚把所有东西都打包好了，对吧？
I packed everything last night, right?
I packed everything last night, right?
I'll grab some coffee to go.
I'll grab some coffee to go.
我去买杯咖啡带走。
I'll grab some coffee to go.
I'll grab some coffee to go.
The taxi should be here soon.
The taxi should be here soon.
出租车应该很快就到了。
The taxi should be here soon.
The taxi should be here soon.
I hope there's no traffic today.
I hope there's no traffic today.
希望今天没有堵车。
I hope there's no traffic today.
I hope there's no traffic today.
The airport is always busy early.
The airport is always busy early.
机场早上总是很忙。
The airport is always busy early.
The airport is always busy early.
Let's check in as fast as possible.
Let's check in as fast as possible.
我们尽快办理登机手续吧。
Let's check in as fast as possible.
Let's check in as fast as possible.
I'll print my boarding pass now.
I'll print my boarding pass now.
我现在打印登机牌。
I'll print my boarding pass now.
I'll print my boarding pass now.
My flight leaves in 1 hour.
My flight leaves in 1 hour.
我的航班1小时后起飞。
My flight leaves in 1 hour.
My flight leaves in 1 hour.
The security line looks so long.
The security line looks so long.
安检队伍看起来好长。
The security line looks so long.
The security line looks so long.
I should have come earlier than this.
I should have come earlier than this.
我应该早点来的。
I should have come earlier than this.
I should have come earlier than this.
Take off your belt and shoes.
Take off your belt and shoes.
请取下腰带和鞋子。
Take off your belt and shoes.
Take off your belt and shoes.
Don't forget to take the laptop out.
Don't forget to take the laptop out.
别忘了把笔记本电脑拿出来。
Don't forget to take the laptop out.
Don't forget to take the laptop out.
Finally, I'm through the security check.
Finally, I'm through the security check.
终于通过安检了。
Finally, I'm through the security check.
Finally, I'm through the security check.
Let's find the departure gate first.
Let's find the departure gate first.
我们先找登机口吧。
Let's find the departure gate first.
Let's find the departure gate first.
I need to charge my phone quickly.
I need to charge my phone quickly.
我需要快速给手机充电。
I need to charge my phone quickly.
I need to charge my phone quickly.
The boarding announcement just started.
The boarding announcement just started.
登机广播刚开始。
The boarding announcement just started.
The boarding announcement just started.
I'll grab some water before boarding.
I'll grab some water before boarding.
登机前我去拿点水。
I'll grab some water before boarding.
I'll grab some water before boarding.
My seat is near the window.
My seat is near the window.
我的座位靠窗。
My seat is near the window.
My seat is near the window.
I love watching clouds during flights.
I love watching clouds during flights.
我喜欢在飞行时看云。
I love watching clouds during flights.
I love watching clouds during flights.
The plane is taking off now.
The plane is taking off now.
飞机现在正在起飞。
The plane is taking off now.
The plane is taking off now.
Goodbye, city. See you soon again.
Goodbye, city. See you soon again.
再见城市，很快再见。
Goodbye, city. See you soon again.
Goodbye, city. See you soon again.
The sunrise looks so beautiful outside.
The sunrise looks so beautiful outside.
外面的日出真美。
The sunrise looks so beautiful outside.
The sunrise looks so beautiful outside.
I'll listen to music for a while.
I'll listen to music for a while.
我会听一会儿音乐。
I'll listen to music for a while.
I'll listen to music for a while.
The flight attendants are serving drinks.
The flight attendants are serving drinks.
乘务员正在提供饮料。
The flight attendants are serving drinks.
The flight attendants are serving drinks.
Can I get an orange juice, please?
Can I get an orange juice, please?
请给我一杯橙汁好吗？
Can I get an orange juice, please?
Can I get an orange juice, please?
I might take a short nap later.
I might take a short nap later.
我稍后可能会小睡一会儿。
I might take a short nap later.
I might take a short nap later.
The plane is landing very smoothly.
The plane is landing very smoothly.
飞机降落得非常平稳。
The plane is landing very smoothly.
The plane is landing very smoothly.
Welcome to another new city.
Welcome to another new city.
欢迎来到另一个新城市。
Welcome to another new city.
Welcome to another new city.
Let's pick up my luggage first.
Let's pick up my luggage first.
我们先去取行李吧。
Let's pick up my luggage first.
Let's pick up my luggage first.
The baggage carousel is moving slowly.
The baggage carousel is moving slowly.
行李传送带转得很慢。
The baggage carousel is moving slowly.
The baggage carousel is moving slowly.
I hope my suitcase didn't get damaged.
I hope my suitcase didn't get damaged.
希望我的行李箱没有损坏。
I hope my suitcase didn't get damaged.
I hope my suitcase didn't get damaged.
There it is. I found my bag.
There it is. I found my bag.
在那儿。我找到我的包了。
There it is. I found my bag.
There it is. I found my bag.
I'll call a taxi to the hotel.
I'll call a taxi to the hotel.
我会叫出租车去酒店。
I'll call a taxi to the hotel.
I'll call a taxi to the hotel.
The air here feels so different.
The air here feels so different.
这里的空气感觉好不一样。
The air here feels so different.
The air here feels so different.
I'm excited to start this trip.
I'm excited to start this trip.
我很兴奋开始这次旅行。
I'm excited to start this trip.
I'm excited to start this trip.
First stop, a good breakfast place.
First stop, a good breakfast place.
第一站，找个好的早餐店。
First stop, a good breakfast place.
First stop, a good breakfast place.
Traveling always makes me feel alive.
Traveling always makes me feel alive.
旅行总是让我感觉充满活力。
Traveling always makes me feel alive.
Traveling always makes me feel alive.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。